Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to add products to Wix website. This is one of the easiest tutorials, so let's get started. First of all, once you log into your wix.com, you will end up over here. Here you can see that we have two websites over here. And once you are here, you just need to click on edit site. Once you click on edit site, you will end up over here. This is where you are going to edit your website. The first thing you need to do, click on the plus icon on the top left corner as you can see. And once you click on this, find store. Here you will find store under the blog and you need to click on add to site. This will change your website to e-commerce so you can start adding your products. Obviously, without making your website e-commerce, you cannot sell your products on Wix website. On the top, you can see we have shop option over here now. Wait for this to complete. Once that loading completed, this might pop up on your screen. And here you can see we have a option for add a product. Click on this option. It will open up a new window like this, and here you will see that we can even add images for the product we want to add. So this is the pre-product which Wix have provided us already, and on the top right corner you can delete them right away. This is all for example once you install store on your Wix website. So you can even edit this if you want to, but if you want to delete it, you can also delete it like this. Click on the obviously more action, and here you can see that we have delete option over here. But for this tutorial, I'm going to leave it as it is. And what you're going to do, just click on new product over here. We have physical product or digital product. If you're selling like ebooks or digital album or printable, you can easily click on digital. Or if you're selling some t-shirts or skateboard or shoes, you can also click on physical product. So this is very in my opinion, this is one of the coolest thing they are showing us over here. And we have our product title over here. We have our product images, product info, which is basic, right? Name and obviously description. We have additional infos if you have some like variation of that particular product. If you're selling shirts for different colors, I think you can add that over here. We have our pricing over here, the cost of goods, profit and margin. You can set it up. And we have custom text if you want to allow customers to personalize this product field with a custom text. You can also do that. We have product options over here. Obviously, like I said above, you can also do that over here. Add options like size, color, and material. You can do that from over here. We have inventory and shipping, which is very important. You can even track your, your inventory if you want to. But I would prefer just leave it as it is because, it might annoy you sometime. Even though you have some products, it doesn't, update it. That's why it will show, out of stock. But if you don't want that, just go ahead and click on track inventory off. We have pre-order, like let customer buy this product before it's released or when it's out of stock. So you can enable it and start, adding the conditions over here. Or you can create your subscription over here. I don't think subscription might work only for ebooks or, the on the courses if you are selling courses. So these are some things which you needed to do. And on the right side, you can create a category accordingly. Click on create category. Like if you want to sell shirts, just click on the clothing create category and change that category to clothing. You can also do that from over here. If you scroll down, you can see that we have advanced option and marketing SEO. So you can create your coupons from over here just by one click. Promote this product if you want to advertise this product on different platforms. Edit SEO setting. This is one of the different tutorial I can show you on a different video. If you want this, you can just comment down below. We have advanced options over here like product text group. If you want to set that, you can also do that. So that's it. This is all you need to know. You can just easily enter your details over here accordingly. Like if you want to sell a shirt or ebook, whatever you are selling, just enter the details accordingly and just click on save over here. Once you click on save, you will see that on your website you will have your shop option over here. Once you click on that, you will end up on your shop pages, and this is the pre-made products over here. Obviously you can delete it, but once you add your own product, you will see that over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to add products on Wix website. It's one of the easiest tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye and take care.